Hello, good morning. Welcome to another day in Barcelona. I've changed accommodation since I last saw you guys. I'm now in a hostel. I'm staying in Jam Hostel, which is more north of Barcelona. It is close to a CrossFit box. So yesterday and this morning I went to do a couple of CrossFit workouts at CrossFit Alpha, and this morning I nearly died. I have come back to the hostel and I am just doing some laundry. I'm just waiting for my laundry to finish and then I'm going to head out for another day of exploring. I am vlogging on my GoPro today. I have got a new GoPro and the clarity and the quality of the photos I've been taking is insane. So I want to vlog and just see what happens. So it might look a little bit different to my normal vlogs. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, so I'm just going to go with it. As I've got a quiet room, I thought I would just show you a little bit of my hostel. I am in a mixed dorm. I thought I was in a female dorm, as it's my first ever hostel experience. But then I was playing cards with some guys last night from America, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to bed now, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And then 2 minutes later they walked in my dorm and I was like, what are you doing here? But it's all fine. I slept quite well. I mean, it was disturbed and broken because there was people coming in late and then it was raining, which was really loud. But apart from that, it's great and I'm very impressed so far. So there's the bedroom, which I'm in, and then there's like a reception area. Then there is a common room round to the shower room. Now I think the shower room is really nice. When I go to other hostels, I may be slightly disappointed. And then you go downstairs and there's a big kitchen area with a common room and books, and that's kind of where everyone seems to hang out. So I'm really enjoying it, and it was really nice this morning because I bought some food and this morning I just made my own breakfast and it's quite nice. I'm quite enjoying it. Today I am doing a little bit of the Gothic Quarter, the Last Ramblers. It is Saturday, so I think it's going to be quite busy, but yesterday we had rain all day. Today the sun seems to be back, so I'm going to go out and make the most of it while I can. I'm gonna get lost in here. Craziness, which is the only word I can use to describe that market. Just found this, I think it's a music hall. It's just a little courtyard and there's nobody here, so I'm just having a couple of minutes to kind of get my bearings. So now I am going back out into the craziness. Speaking of crazy, should we talk about my hair for a minute? This is me not straightening it, so I'm just blow drying it, but I'm kind of loving it. Like, it's massive and I just don't care at all anymore. An update on the rugby situation. It's rugby, not football, and apparently it's Wigan, of all places. Try not filming next to a speaker. So yeah, it's Wigan versus Catalonia or something. But yeah, that's a little update on that. This is magnificent. money do you think I'd need to be able to buy that boat? It's insane. I just went for some pinchos. I actually just went for a beer, non-alcohol of course, and I found this cute little bar called El Pinchos, I think that's how you say it, and they have like little tapas. So pinchos is the Spanish sort of afternoon evening snack, because they all eat quite late for their meal. They tend to have like a drink and some snacks, like tapasy, sort of bread with toppings, about 4 or 5 o'clock. So I ended up doing that, and that was lovely. And now I'm just having a walk around the port, which is also very nice. And then I'm going to head back to the hostel, and I think I'm going to chill out and get quite an early night because I'm up really early tomorrow morning. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I got up bright and, well, it wasn't even bright when I got up. I got up very early today and I made my way to Park Güell, which is, from the footage you've just seen, I'm sure you can agree, absolutely out of this world. I've never seen anything like this. I came just at the right moment. It's sunrise, it's just past sunrise actually, but there's a nice glow on the top, and that view of the city, wow, that hit me. I've come really early because it's already getting mobbed with people. It's 7:20 in the morning and it's already busier than it was when I got here about just after 7. So my tip, if you are coming to Park Güell in Barcelona, is get up very early and get here for 7. You have to pay to get into the main park, which I have not done because tickets are sold out months in advance. But the sort of grounds and the main parts that you see on photographs, they are all free to wander around. So that's what I'm doing, and yeah, definitely worth the early morning rise for. So I have walked down to Sagrada Familia, I think that was right. I'm getting better at this. And it's probably one of the most iconic landmarks in Barcelona, and you can see why. Some people say it will never be finished, and I understand that. I definitely feel as though the city has a different feel to it today. I don't know if it's because it's Sunday, but it feels a lot quieter. It might just be that it's a lot earlier than I've been used to. I have just been for some brunch at Brunch and Cake, I think it was called. I'll put a link down below. But yeah, it was a little bit fancy, but it was really delicious, so I highly recommend that place. And now I'm just continuing on to Gaudi's houses and the rest of my afternoon. Mini's, which was his first ever house that he built. I'm currently on the rooftop, which is just stunning. I haven't paid to do many of the big tours or sites because they're quite expensive and I am on a budget, but I thought I would pay for this one because it's a little bit different. It's not as popular as the other tourist spots and I definitely recommend it. My GoPro battery is dying, so I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in our next country. See you soon.